Fixing broken links on your WordPress site is important for improving user experience and SEO. Here's how to identify and fix broken links. Use a broken link checker plugin. The easiest way to find broken links is by using a plugin like Broken Link Checker. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for Broken Link Checker and install it. After activation, the plugin will automatically scan your website for broken links. Once the scan is complete, go to Tools, Broken Links to view all broken links. Manually fix links. If the plugin finds broken links, you can either edit or remove them. For posts and pages, go to Pages, All Pages or Posts, All Posts, and manually update the links. Use redirects. If a page has moved or is no longer available, set up a redirect. Install a redirection plugin like Redirection. Use it to create a 301 redirect from the old broken URL to a new or relevant page on your site. Regularly check for broken links. Set up periodic checks using the Broken Link Checker plugin to ensure new links don't break.